Welcome to Prosperity Health Center. I am Dr. Kwan, a licensed chiropractic physician and acupuncturist. We understand how important it is to find a right practitioner to assist you in restoring and maintaining good health. At Prosperity Health Center, our team works together to take care of every person who walks to our door. Our focus is not merely on symptom relief. It is about learning, understanding, and taking care of your body to improve your quality of life. If you have any question about how we can assist you in restoring and maintaining health, we are here to answer any question that you might have. Before we see you, I'm here to wish you happiness, prosperity, and health.